As the fight for the rights of immigrant children and their mothers continues in the United States now, members of Congress ask that these families be released. Our correspondent Bianca Perez now with the details.
Great advocate and a good friend.
A forum held Tuesday in Washington, D.C. by various Democratic representatives presented the cases of women who have been held in immigrant detention centers, as well as the perspectives of mental health professionals who have experienced these facilities. These declarations brought to light once again the poor treatment received by the mothers and children who are currently housed in these centers. When I would tell them I'm going to get out of here, they would say, "You won't get out of here even dead. There's plenty of room here to be able to bury all of you." So I had to fight my case, and I fought. I refused to give up. I fought for months. I did all the paperwork I had to do. I did everything I could to prove that I really had a genuine fear of being returned to my country. Mental health specialists continuously argue that the well-being of these children and their mothers is being endangered in these detention centers. They also argue that there are better solutions.
Family detention is not in the best interest of these children. Community-based programs designed to help these families access much-needed social, medical, mental health, and legal services that these traumatized families need will be far more appropriate for this population.
Some experts argue that the reason these detention centers continue to house these families is the profit private companies make off running the centers.
We have now created a detention industrial complex in this country, right? Of which, by the way, these are private companies that are holding these immigrant families who are making money at this process.
There are currently 1,700 mothers and children housed in the 3 detention facilities. The Department of Homeland Security has until August 3rd to respond to a California District Court ruling which requests the release of the families within 90 days. Bianca Perez, Telesur, Washington, D.C.